Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. Let's select maybe some aesthetic language, like whoa, so many languages here. Okay, what I'm looking for is a Greek language, and here it is. Let's select it, then tap done, and now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout on my keyboard here. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.